In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Monday.com board. Duplicating Monday.com boards is an efficient way to replicate the structure and content of a project or workflow, saving time and ensuring consistency across your organization. Whether you're a project manager looking to streamline your processes, or a team member wanting to set up a new project similar to an existing one, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to easily copy a board on Monday.com. Firstly, we'll begin by navigating to Monday.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to access your dashboard. Your dashboard is the command center where all your projects or boards live. Take a moment to review the boards you currently have. This overview is crucial for finding the specific board you wish to duplicate. After locating the board you want to copy, you'll need to click on it to open. Each board is a collection of tasks, timelines, and other elements organized in a way that suits your project's needs. Opening the board will allow you to view all these details before proceeding with the duplication. Now look for the three dots located in the top right corner of your board's interface. This is the options menu, the gateway to many actions you can perform on your board. Clicking these three dots reveals a drop-down menu with multiple options. Hover your mouse over more actions within this menu. It's another nested menu that unfolds to reveal more specific functions you can perform. Among these options you'll find duplicate board. It's a feature that allows you to make an exact replica of the current board, with options to customize what you want to be copied over. Click on Duplicate Board. A new window will pop up, offering you customization options for your duplicated board. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tailor the duplication process to your needs. One of the first options you'll see is to change the name of the board. It's a good idea to give your new board a specific name that reflects its purpose, or how it differs from the original. This step prevents confusion and keeps your workspace organized. Moving on, you'll encounter options on what aspects of the board you would like to duplicate. The first is board structure only, which will copy the columns and settings of the original board but none of the content. This option is useful if you want to reuse the structure of a board for a different project without the previous data. Next, you have the board structure and items option. Selecting this copies not only the setup of your original board but also the tasks or items listed. However, it does not include any updates or comments on these items. Choose this if you want a starting point that includes your tasks but not the conversation history. The most comprehensive option is board structure, items and updates. This choice duplicates the board in its entirety, including all tasks, their statuses, and any comments or files attached. It's perfect for when you want to create a complete backup or continue a project with all its history intact. After selecting the option that best suits your needs, click on Duplicate. Monday.com will then proceed to create a copy of your board with the specifications you chose. Voila! You've successfully duplicated a board on Monday.com. This newly created board will appear on your dashboard, ready for you to dive in and begin working. Remember, duplicating boards not only saves time, but also ensures that your projects maintain a consistent structure and flow, making collaboration and project management a breeze. Don't forget to review the settings and permissions of your duplicated board. You may need to adjust who has access or can edit, especially if the board's purpose has changed. Also, consider integrating any new tools or automations that could enhance your workflow even further. In conclusion, Monday.com offers a flexible and user-friendly platform to manage projects and workflows. By duplicating boards, you can streamline your processes, ensuring that every project begins with a solid foundation. Whether you're working on marketing campaigns, product development, or any other project, knowing how to efficiently copy a board is a skill that will save you time and effort. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your project management tools and strategies for enhanced productivity and collaboration.